Class 9th exercise 9.3 question number 11. In a given figure ABCD is a pentagon. It is given a figure in figure ABCD is a pentagon and a line through B parallel to AC meets DC produced at F. Show that. Now here I am, these things we have to prove, these two parts. Now I am showing you figure. So now as statement is given accordingly, figure is this. In a given figure ABCD is a pentagon. So ABCDE, this is a pentagon. A line through B parallel to AC means एक line B से pass हो रही है through B parallel to AC means AC is here, parallel to AC line will be likewise. So BF line, why it is F, it is given in statement. A line through B parallel to AC meets DC produced at F means DC को अगर आगे increase किया जाता है up to F, so it's this line B meets DC produced at F. Show that. So in first part we have to prove area of triangle ACB is equal to area of triangle ACF, and in second part we have to prove area of pentagon ABCDE is equal to area of AEDF. So now let's see the first part. Now in first part we have to prove area of ACB is equal to area of ACF. So in both triangle you can see AC is the same base. So we can write in triangle ABC and ACF, AC is the base, same base, and between the same parallels. If AC will be the base, then parallels will be AC and BF. Then we can write the area of both triangle will be equal. So here it is written. Triangle ACB and ACF are on the same base AC. It is by mistake it was written here BC, it is AC. And between the same parallels AC and BF. So we can say therefore area of ACB is equal to area of ACF. Now first part is proved and we will give the equation, this equation name first equation. Now let's see the second part. Now in second part we have to prove area of ABCDE. This pentagon area we have to prove equal to AEDF. Now we have in first equation we have proved the area of triangle ABC is equal to ACF. So if in ABC triangle we will add ACDE, so we will get ABCDE. Likewise in ACF we will add ACDE, so we will get AEDF. So in ABC we will add ABCDE, so ACDE, this we will add in ABC, we will get ABCDE, and in ACF we will add ACDE, then we will get AEDF. So that only is written now. By equation first, already we get the area of two triangles equal. Adding area ACDE on the both side. If we will add ACDE in the left hand side also, right hand side also, then we will get our result whatsoever we have to prove. Here we can write, if we will add ACF plus ACDE means ACF plus ACDE, so we will get AEDF. We can write it AEDCF also, but if DCF we will write DF, then also there is no problem. Means C is the midpoint, C is any point in between DF, so we can write AEDCF, we can write AEDF. So that only is written. Firstly it is written area AEDCF, after that area AEDF. You can write direct also, after plus direct you can write area AEDF. So this is the question number 11, exercise 9.3.